Welcome to Computics Technologies. In this video we are going to learn what is mapping in Solidity. In Solidity, a mapping is a data structure that allows you to store and retrieve data using a unique key. Mappings are similar to hash tables or dictionaries in other programming languages. They are often used to store data in a contract storage that needs to be accessed and modified by key. In the mapping syntax, first write mapping keyword. Then inside brackets key type. Then value type. Then access specifier. Then the name of the variable. Key type can be any built-in types plus bytes and string. No reference type or complex objects are allowed. Value type can be any type. Write the function of setValue for mapping. Remember, it is not necessary to write getter function because it automatically create it. Here, the myMapping variable is declared as a public mapping with an unsigned integer key type and a Boolean value type. The setValue function is used to store a value in the mapping using a specified key. Click Deploy. You can see two buttons here, one to set the value and other is to call the mapping object and get value. Set a value. Now call the value, click myMapping button. And it returns false value because it does not match the value we set. Now you can see it does return true just because values matched correctly. Mappings are stored in the contract storage, and they are indexed by the key type. This means that they can be efficiently accessed and modified using the key, but they do not have a fixed size and they do not have an order. It is also important to note that mappings are not iterable, which means that you cannot loop through the elements of a mapping. Mappings are a powerful and flexible tool for storing and accessing data in Solidity contracts, and they are commonly used in a variety of different applications.